Okay, now let's go out there and actually do this first part here. I'm gonna let it know. All right, I just created an account on ElevenLabs. Can you go ahead and actually walk me through step by step how to go to the ElevenLabs voice library right now and find a voice for summer? Um, Once I actually find a voice, I'm also going to need you to walk me through exactly step by step how to grab the voice ID so I can go and paste it into Vappy. Okay, log into your ElevenLabs account, look at the left bar, and it says click on voices, and on top of that says voice, gender female, da 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 da. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so right now I'm on ElevenLabs, and under ElevenLabs, it basically said this. So we know, going back here, it says go to ElevenLabs, and on the left sidebar, you're going to see a menu of options, and you're going to click on voices. So I'm going to go back to ElevenLabs right now, and I'm going to see voices, which I see down here. And then the next thing it's asking me to go ahead and do is at the top of the voices page, you will see two tabs. One that says voice library. This is the public library of voices you can add to your account for free. So we are going to go ahead and go to voice library. So let me go ahead and see. So where the heck is voice library on here? So I don't see it right now. So I'm going to go back over here. Legit, I don't see it. So I'm going to talk to it, right? At the top of the voices page, you will see two tabs. One that says voice library. Okay. Let me see here. At the type of it says, well, all right, let's go ahead and find out. This is where AI is going to start getting better and better and better and better and better. Okay. Currently right now I see my voices and I see default voices. I don't see voice library. Where's voice library? The interface is, and that happens sometimes too. Sometimes because AI is just moving so fast, right? So you're already in the interface has slightly since my last what they call it now is explore in the voice library. So you're already in the right tab. Here's what you're gonna go ahead and do. Go to explore. Okay, so I'm in explore. Got it. So if you don't know how to do something, we screenshot that guy, right? So explore, and then here's what you're going to go ahead and do right now. Find Summer's voice from the screen, so you can filter it by language, accent, conversation, narration, character, social media. So I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to filter it. Okay, so we got all kinds of, so conversational, so narration, characters. So I'm going to go ahead and actually ask, right? Based upon the expectations that I have provided so far, what do you think is the most soothing, relaxing, compassionate, friendly, upbeat female voice that's going to be on ElevenLabs right now? Okay, so it's going to do a little bit of search on the web. Okay, so let's try Serena, right? Okay, so
Wenn du schlau bist, hör gut zu. Wenn du
Bailando llegó hasta el cementerio, que estaba abierto. Pero los muertos no bailaban. Tenían otra cosa mejor que hacer.
Now I can also go ahead and create my own voice, right? So, okay, so I can't find Serena. Aurora and Aria, let's go ahead and try that. I don't see that. Aria?
What is villainy, really? Is it villainy to take what you want? If
Oh,
so, then...
God, no.
Yes.
No, God. That sounded horrible. That isn't inspiring anybody. You know, like, the only thing I'm gonna get from that is some Reddit blog. Okay, alright. So I'm gonna say this, like, I did go ahead, and I did, just to give you guys a better understanding though, I did have a chance to go ahead and actually play with some of this a little bit. But I wanted to also go out there and see. So this one here is actually I've actually played with.
I totally understand how you feel. Would it work if you tried talking with them again? Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your pod? Honestly, I still have days where I feel lost. But even then, I know I totally understand how you feel. Would it work if you
Hey, it's me. Just wondering what you're up to today. You know I'm always up for a chat.
Yeah, this one sounds a little bit too robotic, so I'm gonna go out there and remove that.
Honestly, I still have days where I feel lost. Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast? I totally understand how you feel. Would it work if you tried talking with them again?
Now, under Explore, we can also go ahead and do this. Default voices, create voice, right? So give me a second here. If I went down here,
I totally understand how you feel. Would it work if you tried talking with them again? Honestly, I still have days where I feel lost. But even then, I know I'm getting closer. Far from perfection, but closer.
okay, alright, so so we have American English right here. I want to actually see if I can go ahead and do something. So let's see if we can also design a voice, right? Okay. So I'm going to take this right now. And I am going to take this. And I'm going to add it right here. None of the names that you have provided for these voices actually exist anymore. So maybe they changed the names, or maybe they're no longer in service. I have no intention of cloning my own voice. Do you think, based upon all the information that I've provided you, you can create a prompt for me that I can add to create my own voice on ElevenLabs that meets all of these different expectations that I have? Cool. So we're going to take that, and I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take this, And it's got this thing called best practices. That's actually the widget that I'm going to be talking about soon.
Hey there, I'm Elle from ElevenLabs support. How can I help you today?
I'm good, Al. Just playing around. Okay, so I'm gonna go out there and I am gonna go ahead and generate the voice. And let's see if we're happy with what we have found.
Hi there, thanks for reaching out. I'm so glad we could connect today. I really appreciate you sharing your thoughts with me. It sounds like you've put a lot of consideration into this. I'm here to help in any way I can, and we'll figure this out together. Don't worry, we've got... Hi there, thanks for reaching out. Hi there, thanks for reaching out. I'm so glad we could connect today. I really appreciate you sharing your thoughts with me. Hi there, thanks for reaching out.
I like
I'm
the first
so
one
glad
better.
we could connect today.
I'm going to select this voice and I'm going to call it summer. And the value is English down here. And I'm just going to go out there and just save the voice. Well, that's the prompt, right? Career coaching, business. Okay, I'm gonna go out there and save the voice. And now it's underneath my voices. Okay, so now I've actually created the voice. So I'm gonna go out there and actually ask. Okay. Perfect, I have just generated the voice. Thank you so much for helping me find the tone and the voice that I wanted for Summer, our voice AI agent. Having said that, like, how do I go out there and grab the voice ID? I imagine it's right here. Hang on. Copy voice to other workspace. Save to files, remix as. Okay, copy. Okay, duh. I think I found it. Copy voice ID. Got it. See a string of random numbers. Okay, let's go ahead and actually see a copy voice ID. And I'm just gonna check on my little sticky note. Yep, I think I found the voice ID that I'm looking for. So, okay, so. Perfect, I found the voice ID. What's the next steps? Let's get it. Next video, we're gonna go ahead and talk about how to go and build out the VAPI.